We use perfumes specially in ceremonial occasions. Today, let's know about the facts behind evolution of perfume. The word perfume is derived from the Latin word perfumus. Per means through and fumus means fumes. Scented fats were used by the Egyptians in Egyptian ceremonies. These fats melted due to heat and gave vapors of good fragrance. These fats are now used in scented candle. Egyptians and Arabs distilled a special type of perfume from Madonna lily around 1350 BC. Perfumes became popular in the European culture during 1800s. A new type of perfume was made by two Italians based in Cologne, which contained a blend of rosemary, bergamot, and neroli essential oil. It became popular during the 7 Years' War of 1756 to 63. The perfumes we use in the present day were made in France by a man called Ernest Beau. It was the first ever perfume containing synthetic odor. If you liked the video, like and comment. If you like the channel, subscribe to it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.